In this video I am going to explain you about Cipher blockchaining mode, also known as CBC. Let's talk about what is Cipher blockchaining mode. CBC is a mode of operation for a block cipher. It uses an initialization vector, also known as IV, of a certain length. In an encryption process, the first block of plaintext is XORed with IV. It uses a chaining mechanism. Ciphertext is used from the previous block to impact the next block. Due to the XOR process, the same block of plaintext will not result identical ciphertext being produced. Let's look at the example of encryption process of Cipher blockchaining with using DES block cipher. As an example, we got a plaintext with 180 bit size. The plaintext is divided into blocks of fixed size. In case of DES block cipher, the size of each block is 64 bits. To make it up to the required length, we need to pad the block with padding bytes. First of all, the plaintext block 1 is XORed with IV of 64 bits. In the second step, the XORed block is encrypted with an encryption method. In this case it is DES encryption method. Now, as you can see, the plaintext 1 is encrypted. From now on, the value of plaintext blocks is XORed with a previous ciphertext block value. Then, the XORed value is encrypted with DES encryption method. This keeps going for the rest of the encryption process. Example of decryption process of Cipher blockchaining with using DES block cipher. First of all, ciphertext block 1 is decrypted. In this case it is decrypted based on DES block cipher. Decrypted value is XORed with IV value of 64 bits, which was used in the encryption process. Now, we got the plaintext for the first block. Ciphertext block 2 is decrypted using on DES block cipher. The decrypted value is XORed with the previous ciphertext block value. From now on, the following decrypted values are XORed with the value of the previous ciphertext block. This keeps going for the rest of the decryption process. Thank you for watching.